Hi guys, welcome back. So sorry for not uploading video from last 1 week. So I've been messed up with so many things, so I couldn't able to spend time on YouTube. So sorry for that. And this is the first video in our channel. It's unboxing video. So like it's my childhood dream to get a MacBook. Yes guys, so finally today I got my MacBook Air. So it's my childhood dream. So let's like in my 12th standard I have seen one of my senior like working on a MacBook Pro for his final year project. So I just got crushed when in my 12th standard to get the MacBook. Like it's a childhood dream. So I've been waiting for 3 years like to get a good internship. So I got a good internship right now. So I'm going good. It's 11 good stipend for me. So finally I'm using my money to get the MacBook. So I'm feeling like what to say, like I'm so excited, like I got a MacBook Air. So in today's video I'm going to share the things which I got in MacBook Pro box. So it's just an unboxing video of MacBook Air guys. Let's get into the video guys. So let's like I'm going to unbox the MacBook Air box. Let's see the unboxing video guys. So like I bought a MacBook Pro from like it's like a store nearby the Chroma. So I brought this MacBook Pro from a nearby store. It's a Chroma. So let's see what's the inside in the box. I'm so excited guys. So this is the like outlet of the box. So like I brought it for the like MRP is 92,000. So it's 8 GB RAM and 256 variant. So this is the stock of the details which are given here. So like it's like I mentioned here like 256 GB SSD, so 8 GB RAM processor. Like this is a MacBook. So I just got crushed of seeing this guys. So I'm just curious to open this. So actually we opened at the store, like they just opened it and they just showed us how it's working. So it's the second time opening. So let's see. Yes guys, so they don't have anything here. So they have a MacBook Air. So let's take it out. So before like seeing into laptop, let's see what's inside the box. So they have an adapter. So the adapter charge, it's it's a 30-volt USB-C type adapter, and like I wouldn't able to fix the wire inside. So this is a wire they give me. So it's pretty good length. So like I can like it is a plug box here. So like I can charge here and I can use the laptop till the bed end. So it's a pretty good wire. I didn't accept this much huge length, so I'm just impressed with the wire length. So these are the two things in the box, and then in the cardboard like they provided, let's see. So they had some user manuals in English and some international languages, and they had a like size of the monitor. So all the stuffs like they had everything here. And they provided 2 stickers. So I'm going to paste the sticker in my mobile. So it gives a rich look to mobile. I'm going to paste the sticker to my mobile guys. So I'm just excited to this Mac. This crush. I got a big rush on it. So like let's look at the Mac. So now it's real time to open the MacBook Air. As finally, so look at the design, the structure guys. So it's too thin and like it's too slim. So I'm just like there are 2 variants in gold and silver, but I opted for like space gray because like, it looks like a damn cool, right? So let's place the laptop in down. So you can see this symbol, the logo, like it's a brand, like you can do like everything using this logo. And I just open the laptop. Yes guys, finally we opened the laptops and this is how it looks. Look at the keypad, like it's a magic touch keypad, like it's pretty cool. And look at the keys guys, it's too smooth. It's like too smooth. Like just look at the sound variant, and like let's see like what's the processor RAM about this Mac. Let's go into about this Mac. So like you can see here the memory is like it's 8 GB RAM, and then it's an M1 chip. So guys, you're right now the M1 chip is the highest powerful chip right now. It's the best processor right now available in market. So it's 8 GB RAM, and then display is 13.3 inch and then 250 into 216 resolution. And then let's get in storage. So it's like I bought it for 251 storage. So at last we had like 219 storage. So like 3 GB it's recommended for apps, and then like some system memory and then some others. So like they had some pre-installed apps, so for that they consume 3 GB, and then for system like software like Apple Mac OS, and for that 15 GB, and for some others like it's 6 GB. So totally like I got like 220 GB in hand. and then like support, and then their service. So it's Apple's care service, that's it. And then let's check the sound quality, guys. So yeah, let me play a video on YouTube. Yes guys, now let's check the sound quality, like what's the sound capacity it gets. Let's go to in Safari. I just opened the application here. So let's play some trailer here. So let's see what is sound quality. Even let's see display too.
So we need calm. The world needs him to stop what's coming. And this child, she's the only one.
That was amazing, guys. Like look at the screen size, like it's like fantastic. Like we can see like 4K screen here, and even sound quality is like amazing. Now let's check like Siri here. Like we have a Siri here. Let's check Siri. Hey Siri, please open Safari. So even like it's super fast, right? So I just impressed with the Siri and like things, and like that's it. Like we can check this, we check this sound, everything. So like the inbuilt applications here, like they given the maps and messages and FaceTime. Let's check the like photo booth. Let's just check the photo. Yes guys, now let's check the photos, like clarity of photo. It's amazing, pretty cool, right? So like before my laptop is less like a 0.3 MP. Now just look at the clarity of image. I'm just impressed with the camera too. So overall, like it's a fantastic product, I can say. With in this budget, like it just cost 90,000. In this budget, I can feel the like it's amazing product, guys. Now you just check the sound quality and picture quality, and then like face camera, it's everything amazing. Even like RAM, 8GB RAM and 2 variant. I didn't install any software, so I'm planning to install Android Studio and Xcore and then TensorFlow. So I'm going to install few softwares. So like I'm planning to do one more video after 1 month of usage of the MacBook. Look at the like it's full of metal, like it's cool, like look appearance of laptop is super cool, and even performance I can feel is fastest. Like before I was using the Windows, now I can see difference between Windows and Mac. So like I'll try to make video on separate video on like difference between the Mac and Windows. So like after 1 month usage, I'll make a like review video after 1 month. So let's see how it's going to work. So like I said, I'm going to install few softwares. After installing software, let's see how it's going to perform. Like I hope this is the first unboxing video. Like it's the first one, so I don't have any plans. So like just excuse me if I made any mistakes in unboxing video. That's it for today's video, guys, and we'll meet you soon. Like from now on, I'll try to upload videos on time. That's it, and do subscribe my channel, guys. It keeps on motivation for me, like to do more videos. Like thanks a lot, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.